Hi guys, so today I will be talking about everybody's fascination, but this is just the Disney Tsum Tsum. Like you can see there, this is just the Disney Tsum Tsum, and this is Piglet. So before I get started, I just want to show you guys what this looks like, and then I want to show you guys the tag, and then I just want to get to explaining it. So this is the Piglet Tsum Tsum. He kind of Okay, I'm just I don't know if this is just like a dumb statement or something, but I'm just very confused. So, all my life, I thought that Piglet was a girl. And then when I got in high school, like everybody told me he was a guy, and I was like, okay. But then I got older and I went on Twitter and they say he was a girl. So I don't know. I'm just gonna refer to Piglet as a he, because that's what I believe he is. Piglet is a he. He's a very classy man. But yeah. So this is Piglet, the Tsum Tsum. All Tsum Tsums come in like this like longer like Tsum Tsum type of position. And this is just the tag. It just says Disney Tsum Tsum. And yeah. So yeah, getting started. This, guys, I did not purchase this. This was a gift to me. And so I actually have a really funny story. So I have a lot of sorority sisters who really do enjoy like collecting these. I actually have one sorority sister. Her whole room is filled with Tsum Tsums, and she has like this whole like little bookshelf with like a bunch of Tsum Tsums on it, and like it's just super crazy to me. But yeah, she loves Tsum Tsums, and I'm like, okay, girl, like you do your thing. But yeah, so I ended up going to the store with one of my sorority sisters, and she mentioned how she wanted to go to the Disney store. So I said, okay. Guys, before I say this, like, I just want to say that like I'm giving a review on the product, but guys, I'm not a fan of these, and I'll tell you a little bit later why I'm not. But we went in the store, and she was like, the first thing she ran to was these Tsum Tsums, and so I was just like, okay. I don't really like the Disney store unless I'm buying like t-shirts, and it just doesn't fascinate me that much. Like, I'm not like a very huge fan of like Disney princesses or like Disney movies. It's just not my thing. And she's in love with these Tsum Tsum things, and she ended up, while we were in the store, she ended up like purchasing one of these, and then we got out the store and she like handed me this Tsum Tsum, and I was like, oh my goodness, it's so cute. And she was like, I got it for you. Like, she's like, I got us matching ones. And I was like, oh my goodness. And so just like how I sounded now, that's definitely how I sounded when she gave it to me. But I was just like, okay, it's the thought that counts. And so this was like a really serious question that I had for her, and I asked her, like, what do I do with it? Like, what do I do? Because I remember when I was little, there was like the little keychain, little stuffed animals everybody used to carry around, and I love those. And like, I just did not know what I was supposed to do with this. And so she's like, you just put it on your shelf, and like, she was like, it's really cool, like you can just collect them and everything. And so I believe that these animals are just like any other like collector's items, I want to say. It's definitely something that like you are collecting, and you're just like looking at, like you keep like, it keeps like building up and everything. And so yeah, this is my Piglet Tsum Tsum that sits on my desk next to an elephant that I have. I personally don't collect them. This is the only Tsum Tsum that I have, and I just like it because it kind of blends in with like my decor that I have in my room, so it kind of goes with it. But shout out to the sorority sister that gave this to me, guys. And the other reason why I really don't like these is because they're expensive. For, I want to say, for these like little stuffed animals Tsum Tsum things, they're very expensive. Me being on like a tightly funded budget, and like all of the necessities that I do need to buy, I just can't see myself spending the money that this costs. Like, I just can't see myself doing it. And my sorority sisters, they love buying these, and to each his own. Like, I'm not doubting anybody for anything that anybody likes to do or anybody's hobbies, but one thing that I can say is guys, I can't personally in good will or knowledge like buy these little animals. Something that I think is cool about them is like the way that they're marketed. I love when a brand is like marketed really cool, and I love how they're called Tsum Tsums, because like sumo wrestlers, they sit like in a sumo position, and they're just like, they're cute, guys. Like, I'm not gonna take away that factor of the animal. These are very like cute, a very like cute like little, I don't know if I should call it a stuffed animal, but like just like a little cute like thing. They do make these in bigger forms. So I actually have a couple sisters who like own these Tsum Tsums, but like just bigger. They come in like hard toys that you can buy in like the little, they come like closed. I don't know how to say it. Like, they come like packaged. So you can buy these hard Tsum Tsums packaged, and I have sisters who collect those. But aside from all of that, it's a cool little toy object, stuffed animal type thing. They're very expensive, so if you guys are into collecting them, I say like do it, but just know that it's just super expensive. And one day they can be like a collector's item, you never know. But yeah, these are just this is just the Piglet Tsum Tsum, and this is just the Disney Tsum Tsum.